Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today we're traveling to 1935 to discover Mayfair Dressing. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. I've got another quickie for you, and today's quickie is in a blender, super quick, and is a request. I want to thank Tink for reaching out to me and making this request. Mayfair Dressing. It's kind of like a Caesar dressing. It was actually invented at the Mayfair Hotel in St. Louis. That hotel was opened between 1925 and 2003, and this is said to be the house dressing developed around 1935 by the head chef. If you haven't heard of Mayfair Dressing, that's probably because you never lived in St. Louis. Much like our friend Johnny Marzetti, it is very regional. So I'm gonna try to get this spread out and have everyone start loving it. So this is gonna all come together in a blender very, very quickly. So let's get started. In a blender, in this order, we have a tablespoon of lemon juice, and as I always say, please make it fresh. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. 2 tins of anchovies. Now in this particular recipe, and I've never seen it in any other recipe, you want to add the oil from the tins. So you're going to have super, super amped up anchovy flavor. A half a teaspoon of sugar, and that's just for a little balance. A teaspoon of black pepper. Now, every recipe I have ever seen for this calls for MSG. I don't use MSG, so I'm leaving it out, but if you do have Accent in your cupboard, you're welcome to use it, and you would use a teaspoon at this time. Next, we have a half an onion that's very roughly chopped, because the blender will take care of the rest. And then we have 1 stalk of celery that's also pretty roughly chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, in they go. Whoops, forgot one. Very important. And now we're gonna put the lid on, and we're gonna blend this all very well. Okay, you are gonna want your blender to go for 2 or 3 minutes because it's gonna take some time to get that onion and that celery started. But this is what we have so far. See, it does look a little like Caesar, but now we're gonna change it up a little bit. And we are going to add in 2 eggs. And we're kind of making a mayonnaise kind of thing going on here. So we're going to add 1, put the lid back on, and blend that through. Okay, and then you're going to blend the second. In it goes. Now, if you're worried about raw eggs, just use pasteurized eggs. You'll be fine. I don't mind, so I'm just using regular eggs. They're very fresh, by the way. Okay, 1 more blending of the egg. Okay, there's our mixture now. Now we're gonna finish it off with oil. I have 2 cups of vegetable oil right here. I'm using canola. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil. I think olive oil might really change the flavor, but I'm never gonna tell you what to do. Okay, so now here's what we're gonna do. We are going to put our lid back on, open up the spout, and we're gonna pour the oil slowly in the spout while everything is blending. And that's gonna kind of make your whole emulsified, fabulous dressing, and we're gonna be done. Okay, look at that. There's our dressing. Now, yes, it makes a ton. You can easily put this in half, or you can make a ton and make your neighbors super happy. Here we go. The Mayfair salad. Romaine, which by the way was very uncommon back in 1935. So it was something very special. Swiss cheese, ham, croutons, your Mayfair salad. All that's left, oh, you know what's gonna happen now. It's just to pour this amazing, fabulous dressing right over the top. And oh my, I am leaking everywhere, but that's okay. It's worth it. And here it is, your Mayfair dressing. Tink Mars 1, how's that look? Did I do it right? Fabulous, fabulous dressing. And I just can't say enough about it. Give it a try. It's something different, just like my tomato soup dressing. Very different, very delicious. Thanks for stopping by. You can share your recipes or make a request like Tink Mars 1 did by joining my Facebook group. Have you made one of my dishes? I would love to see it. Tag me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video.